crochet friends, Linda here from the Crochet Stop. Have you ever gone to make a magic circle to make a project and you went to pull your yarn and close your circle and the yarn breaks and you can't get it to tighten? It's not you, it's your yarn. So the first time I went to make a magic circle years ago, I picked out this really pretty yarn and I was so excited to start my project. So I went and I made my magic circle and I did my single crochets into my magic circle. And I was so happy about this beautiful little plushie I was gonna make. And then I went to close my magic circle and it did this. And I pulled and I pulled and I couldn't get it to tighten and I eventually broke my yarn. And I thought, what am I doing wrong? Well, it isn't you, it's the yarn. And that's why it's really important to pick out good yarn. This is not. It's a beautiful color, however. And if you have yourself in a position where you have some yarn and you've had this problem, what you want to do is when you make your single crochets into the circle, do it really, really loose and floppy. So make them just as loose as you can. And then when you go to tighten your circle, sometimes you have to actually kind of, I call it massaging it. Just make sure they're nice and loose and then just pull a little bit and kind of loosen them up and then pull some more and kind of loosen it up and then pull some more. And many times you can get it tightened if you keep at it with a little patience. Just like that. Now you have your magic circle finished. And you shouldn't have any more trouble with it as far as making your stitches, because it's just the pulling that it doesn't like. So then you can go ahead and make your project with the yarn. Okay? So it's not you, it's your yarn.